video, we are going to be talking about how to make your own pouring medium. I want to make one for you, the one that I've included actually in the bonus section. And you can use a scale like this, a food scale, or you can just use a measuring cup, which will show the ounces, okay? I prefer to do it this way because it's more accurate. You can use either one. So what we will do is I'm actually just gonna use my scale today, and I'm going to be putting, let me see if I can do this. Actually, maybe you can see it that way. So I'm gonna zero it out so that it already has the weight of my cup. And then I'm going to start adding my pouring materials, or the ingredients that go in my pouring medium. So first of all, we're going to do 11 ounces of Elmer's glue all. So this is the one that I use. It's the extra strong formula, and you can just grab this anywhere. I found it at Walmart. I've also found it at Lowe's, and I even think that Home Depot has it, and you can buy it online on Amazon as well. So I'll leave you some links to all of those products in case you want to get them online. And let's start adding this. Okay, so let's start to go a little bit slower just because we're getting close to that number, 9. We need 11 ounces. $10.8, $10.9, almost there. And 11. Okay, that's good enough. Okay, so we have 11 ounces of Elmer's glue. Now we are going to be adding 3 ounces of Floetrol. So I have, let me move this just so you can see it. So this is the one that I use. You can buy it at Lowe's or Home Depot. I think both places carry it, and you can also buy it online. So let me just shake this. Okay, so now we're gonna pour 3 ounces. So we have to get all the way to 14. 14, okay. Good. So now we are going to be adding Flow Aid. So this is from Liquitex. I am just going to be adding 1 ounce. So even though the bottle is not that big, I just need a tiny bit. So we'll get up to 15. And 15. Okay. So now we are also going to be adding water. So you want to add distilled water. What I use is just 5 ounces of water. 9 and 20. There we go. So what we're going to do is just mix this really, really well. And then you can pour it into a bottle similar like this, where you can store your pouring medium. You can cover it so that you make sure that it doesn't dry up. And then that way you can use this bottle to just shake it up whenever you need it, so that your pouring medium mixes really well again before you use it. And usually I just pour all my ingredients directly into this bottle and then shake it up really well to mix everything up. However, this time I decided to put all my ingredients in a cup like this so that I could show you that you could also use the ounces, or that you could use a scale like this. And as you can see here, I don't know if you can tell, but my pouring medium is about to that line, which is the 20 fluid ounce line. So as you can see, you can use a scale or you can use a measuring cup and you will get similar results. But using a measuring cup is going to be just a little bit harder because as you can see, these lines go by 4 ounces. So it starts at 4, then it goes to 8, then 12, then 16, then 20. So there's no lines in between those that will help you measure like a 1 ounce liquid. So whenever you're doing, for example, the liquid text, that is going to be a little bit hard to kind of eyeball where 1 ounce falls. So that's why I suggest that you just go with a cheap scale, one that measures fluid ounces. That way you don't have any issues. So I'm just gonna mix this and then pour it into my bottle, and that is it. So that is all for this video. I will see you in the next.